friends, and welcome to Akshata's recipes. Today I will be showing you how I make my ginger garlic paste. Now ginger garlic paste is used regularly by us in our curries, in marination, and every time to make some ginger garlic paste for the recipe is quite irritating and even time consuming. And sometimes you may be just running out of ginger, running out of garlic. But in this way, if you make your own ginger garlic paste, it is, first of all, you have no preservatives. We're going to be using all natural ingredients which we regularly use in our kitchen. And all of these are either natural preservatives or they're anti-fungal, antibacterial. And plus you have a nice big jar of homemade fresh ginger garlic paste at your disposal, and you can use it anytime for any recipes. Also, I've noticed that the ones which we buy from the store, first of course they're expensive, and secondly, if you keep it for a very long time, they do change into a dark brownish color, and sometimes it doesn't really taste that good too. So why take a risk when it's so easy to make your own ginger garlic paste? And as an added bonus, if you watch the video till the end, I will also show you how to chop onions very fine for any recipe. It's very simple. So watch the video till the end. And if you like today's kitchen tip, then don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes family. So let's head on to my kitchen and make this easy ginger garlic paste. So friends, here I have peeled about a cup of garlic. Now I'm going to show you how I peel garlic. So this is like an entire garlic pod. So I've just broken it up into to get the cloves, and just removing all the peel and the center of the pod. And now I'm just going to be using a knife to cut off the tip of the garlic clove, because we're not going to use that, and then the peel just comes off very easily. Now when you're buying garlic, also ensure that your garlic is more on the drier side and it's not really wet. Now sometimes you also find some black or brownish kind of garlic. Please discard that. We're not going to use that. We just want some fresh, whole, good garlic. Keep a little paper bag or a plastic bag at the side so you can just dispose of all the garbage that you're using. And the other way is also that you can just mash it down onto your cutting board and it comes off very easily too. So our garlic, in this way I have peeled about a cup of garlic. We're going to be using equal quantities of the garlic and the ginger. And in this way, our garlic is all ready to be used for the paste. Now for the ginger, I've thoroughly washed the ginger under running water. That is very important, and dried it up with a dry towel. And then using the back of a spoon, just scrape off the peel. Now we're going to use this peel later on when you're making tea. I have a recipe for how to make some lovely ginger tea. I'll leave a link below. So just you can use the peel. You don't need to discard the peel away. But for the recipe, we're not going to use the peel at all. So ensure that you get off all the peel. Now we're going to use our mixer or blender, and we're going to start by grinding the ginger first. Keep taking a spoon and stirring it in between till you get a nice fine paste. Then we're going to be adding a little bit of the garlic at a time and again grinding it to a very fine paste. So get in all the garlic. Now we're going to be adding about a 3/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. This is a natural preservative. And I'm also going to be using turmeric or haldi powder. Now I have the organic one, but you can also use your regular haldi or turmeric, because this has got, it's like a antifungal or antibacterial. Now we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of any cooking oil which doesn't have a very strong flavor or a very strong aroma, and I've added olive oil, and again then we're going to blitz it very, very, very fine till it becomes a very fine paste. So in between, just take it out, stir it, and again blend it till you get a very, very fine paste. This is very crucial. And then you can just store this in a clean, dry glass bottle, preferably, which is also airtight. And you can store it in your refrigerator. You don't have to freeze it. You can just store it in your refrigerator and it lasts for as long as 6 months. So this is your ginger garlic paste ready, and you can use it as and when you want for your curries, for your marinades. Now, like I promised you, as an added bonus, I'm going to show you how I chop my onions very fine. It's very, very simple. So first you have to wash your onions and peel them, and also cut the yellow part that's there in the center, and then just cut them horizontally first and then vertically. Just roughly chop them a little fine, as much as you can. I'm using about 4 small onions. And once you have just chopped them up roughly like this, all we're going to do now is just take our knife, which has to be sharp, it really helps, and just holding it on down on one side, just keep on mincing your onions, going in a particular direction. Start either from left to right or right to left. Just concentrate on one part and just move your knife in this fashion till everything becomes nicely, finely chopped. So this is how I chop my onions. Somebody was asking me how I chop my onions so fine. So this is the trick. You just have to move your knife till it is nice and finely cut. And there you have it, nice big bowl of freshly cut, finely chopped onion ready to use for any recipe. So I hope you enjoyed today's kitchen tips of how to make some ginger garlic paste, as well as how to cut onions finely. And I hope you give this video a like. I hope you subscribe to my channel and join the Akshata's Recipes family. Go and explore my channel. I have more than 280 recipes and lots of vlogs where you get to know me better. And I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.